Labeled the Red Planet for its fiery color, Mars has so far been too far away and dangerous for humans to explore. The alternative has been to build robots to aid scientists in their research. In 2004, two robot explorers, or rovers, called Spirit and Opportunity were sent to Mars. Their mission was to find signs of water. Spirit landed first after a 7-month trip. It was to explore an area scientists believed was once a lake. Opportunity landed 3 weeks later in another place with different rocks. These rovers can drive over rough ground and operate cameras and scientific instruments. They set out to work. Mars is important to scientists because it is close to Earth and similar in many ways. Mars has seasons with different kinds of weather. It also has a network of what looks like dried rivers and lakes. This has raised the question, was there once life on Mars? Most scientists hold a firm belief that all life needs water. To look for water, the robots carried equipment to measure the chemicals in rocks. As well as being equipped with solar power cells, the rovers also carried special cameras for scientists to record images of the planet's rocks. After only 2 months, scientists had found what they were looking for. Opportunity found chemicals and patterns in the rocks that showed the area was full of water a long time ago. Scientists don't know when this happened or how much water there was, but the surprising discovery changed their ideas about Mars. Now they believe that the weather on Mars was once warmer, maybe warm enough to once have forms of life. In the following months, Spirit moved on to an area that may once have been a volcano, whereas Opportunity went on to study rocks that may have formed underwater. Today, scientists still aren't sure if life ever existed on Mars. They need more information to decide. The discoveries of the 2 Mars rovers answered some old questions, but they also brought up many new ones.